Good morning, students. Exercise 3.5. In exercise 3.5, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Have you any problems? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Students, am I audible to you? Now, student, question number 4. Third part, first three parts we have already discussed in the previous class. Now, today we will discuss fourth part. Students, places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. Students, there are two places A and B. The distance between two places is 100 km given. Students, there are two places A and B which are 100 km apart. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction in different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. Students, first car moves from the point A. First car moves from the point A and moves in this direction. First, in case first, when cars start from A and another car from B at the same time. Students, सेम टाइम पे दोनों पॉइंट से सेम डायरेक्शन में टू कार क्या है स्टार्ट होती है. वन कार स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए एंड अनदर फ्रॉम बी एट द सेम टाइम. If the car travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. Students, there are two points A and B. The distance between two places are 100 km. From A, first car move and from B, second car move in the same direction at the same time. Let's student we will consider that from A, car is X, whose speed is X km per hour. Another car that will move from B is Y, whose speed is Y km per hour. Y km per hour. Students, that car move from point A, whose speed is X km per hour, and after 5 hours, car X and Y meet at point 2. Students, after 5 hours, स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास क्या है, दो कार, एक कार X है एक कार Y. फर्स्ट कार जो है X, उसकी स्पीड कितनी है, X किलोमीटर पर आवर, और आफ्टर 5 आवर्स ये मूव करती है और Q पॉइंट पे पहुंच जाती है. एक आपके पास कार है Y, B पॉइंट से चलती है, उसकी स्पीड है y किलोमीटर पर आवर, और आफ्टर 5 आवर्स both car will meet at point Q. Speed are different, time is same, direction is same, but speed is different. Students, any doubt, any problem in this concept? स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास क्या है, दो प्लेसेस है ए और बी है, इनके बीच में डिस्टेंस कितनी है 100 किलोमीटर। ए पॉइंट से एक कार है, इसकी स्पीड है x किलोमीटर पर आवर। बी प्लेस पे एक कार है y, उसकी स्पीड है y किलोमीटर पर आवर। आफ्टर 5 hours the both car will meet at point Q. Students, speed is given, time is given, then how can you find out the distance?
Speed into time.
Student, the formula of distance is speed into time. Speed into time. Now student, please tell me that your first car is x, whose speed is x kilometer per hour, taking 5 hours to reach at point Q. Then what is the distance covered by car in 5 hours? 5x. Very good students. 5x kilometer. 5x kilometer. Now student, please tell me that another car is y, whose speed is y kilometer per hour, taking 5 hours to reach at point Q. What is the distance covered by car y in 5 hours? 5y kilometer. Now student, please tell me that if we will, this is your 5x, this is your 5x, and this is your 5y. If we will subtract 5x minus 5y, then what will be the remainder? That will be your 100. This is your 100, this is your left out. Students, any doubt, any problems? 5x minus 5y will be 100. This is your 5x, this is your 5y. If you will subtract 5x minus this portion 5y, then what is left? This portion is left. This portion is left. Student, this portion will be left. And this is the 100 kilometer. This is your 100 kilometer. Student, any doubt, any problems? Your case first. This is your case first. Case first. Student, in this question there will be two case arises. Students, the equation will be, what will be the equation according to first condition? According to first condition.
5x minus 5 100.
According to first condition, 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. That is your first equation. Students, what is common in first two terms? 5. Now student, what is left behind? X minus y is equal to 100. 5 1 the 5, that is 20. Students, it will become your the first equation will be x minus y is equal to 20. That is your first equation.
Sir, I have
Student, any doubt, any problems?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, students, please ask me.
Sir, my doubt is कि उधर आपने 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. आपने यहाँ पे subtract क्यों किया?
सब्ट्रैक्ट इसीलिए किया, वेरी गुड। अब देखिए, इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट हमने इसलिए किया, आपकी जो कार है वो एक पॉइंट से मूव कर रही है, उसकी जो डिस्टेंस है, उसकी डिस्टेंस आपके पास ये यहाँ से लेकर ये डिस्टेंस, ठीक है। अब सेकंड जो कार मूव कर रही है वो बी पॉइंट से मूव कर रही है, और दैट विल मूव इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, दिस डायरेक्शन। Students, if we will subtract 5x minus 5y, then what will be the left hand? Please tell me that. That is your 5x. That is your 5x. And that is your 5y. If we subtract this portion 5x में से अगर ये पोर्शन माइनस कर देते हैं, इतना पोर्शन, तो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? ये तो बचेगा इतना पोर्शन, this portion will left, and that is 100. Student, any doubt?
No, sir. It's
Okay, student, 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Student, any doubt, any problems?
Sir, please slow it down.
Yes, students.
Sir, please slow it down.
Student, what is the problems?
Sir, can you please slow the phone down?
Scroll down.
Thank you.
Okay, students. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir, noted it, sir.
Student, read the second condition properly. If they travel towards each other. Students, now in second condition, two cars moves in opposite direction. But in first condition, two cars moves in the same direction. Same direction. Student, in second condition,
So there's someone.
if they travel towards each other, it means two cars moves in the opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? Student, second case, please try to understand the second case. Case second. Now student, there are two places, that is your A and this is your B place. Student, as you know that the distance between two places is 100 kilometers. Students, from a car X, whose speed is x kilometer per hour, moves in this direction. Students, from place B, a car is y, whose speed is y kilometer per hour, moves in opposite direction. Student, moves in opposite direction. and meet at this point. That is your T point. Students, they meet and after 1 hour at point T. At point T. Students, this the time taken by car from point A to T is 1 hour. Now car Y, whose speed is y kilometer per hour, taking time 1 hour to reach from point B to T. Student, your concept is clear?
Yes sir, x plus y is equal to 1.
Students, आपके पास टू प्लेसेस है A एंड B, जो कि क्या है 100 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस है. इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है वो कितनी 100 किलोमीटर है. There are two cars. First car is X, whose speed is x kilometer per hour, moves from point A in and reach at point T after 1 hour. And your second car is Y, whose speed is y kilometer per hour, moves from point B and reach at point T after 1 hour. Student, what is the formula? What is the formula of distance if speed and time is given?
Speed multiplied by distance equals speed into time.
Distance, speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Now students, your speed is x kilometer per hour, your time is 1 hour. Now what is the distance? What is the distance?
And x kilometer.
X kilometer. X kilometer. X kilometer. Distance covered by car from A.
100 kilometer है ना?
Yes students, we will x kilometer, x plus y we will equalize to 100 kilometer. Now student, what is the distance covered by car Y from point B to T?
Y kilometer.
Speed is y kilometer per hour, time is 1 hour. Speed is y kilometer per hour, time is 1 hour. Distance covered by car.
Will be 1 kilometer.
Y kilometer. Now students, this is your distance. This distance is your x kilometer. And this distance is your y kilometer. Then and total distance is your 100 kilometer. Then what will be the linear equation in two variables? Yes students. Yes, very good. X plus y is equal to 100 kilometer. X plus y is equal to 100 kilometer. Student, according to second condition, according to second condition, x plus y is equal to 100 kilometer. That is your second equation. Students, have you any problems, any doubt in this concept? You can ask me. Now students, your first linear equation is x minus y is equal to 20, and your second linear equation in two variable is x plus y is equal to 100. That is your second linear equation in two variables. It means it is a pair of linear equation in a two variables. Priya Tiwari, how can we solve
Yes.
these pair of linear equation? You can use any method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, you can apply. By which method will you solve these pair of linear equation? Yes, very good students. Now how can you solve these pair of linear equation? Yes, please tell me, how can you solve these pair of linear equation? By adding. Adding equation first and second we get. Students, this is cancel out. Y, that is minus y plus y, that is cancel out. Now students, 1x and 1x, what will be the result after addition? 2x, twice of x. Now student, 20 plus 100, 120. Now you have to find out the value of x. Students, 120 divided by 2, that is 60. 60.
Yes.
Okay students,
इक्वेशन 1 और 2 की वैल्यूज को सबट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते थे, उससे भी आंसर निकल ही जाता.
students, there are so many methods to solve the pair of linear equation. If you will eliminate x, then you have to subtract equation second from first. Here the sign, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is 1, both are plus sign. Both are plus sign. If you will eliminate x, you have to subtract equation second from first. But here we are observing that the coefficient of y is minus 1 and coefficient of y is plus 1. So there is no need to change the sign. Adding equation first and second, that will be cancelled out, and coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is 1, 1 and 1 twice of x, that is equal to 120. X is equal to 60. And what is x? What is x? Speed of car x.
60.
Speed of car x.
Speed of car.
Shubham Jadhav. Shubham,
Yes, sir.
how can you find out the value of y? You have already found out the value of x.
Value of x in the name.
Yes, very good. Try again.
Putting the value of x in any of the two equations.
In equation, putting the value of x in equation,
2.
in equation second, putting any equation you can put and find out the value of y. Putting x is equal to 60 in equation either first or second. Any equation you can put in equation first.
80.
Now students, x minus y is equal to 20. That is your first equation. What is the value of x? value of x is 60 minus y, that is 20. Now student, minus y, 20 minus 60 minus y, that is minus 40, y is equal to 40. Now student, we conclude that speed of car x, speed of car x 60 km/h and speed of car y 40 km/h. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Student, do it fast. Okay students, now question number 4, fifth part. Student, read the question properly. Area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if the length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 square units. Find the dimension of the rectangle. Student, let length of the rectangle be x units and breadth of the rectangle be that is y units. Swasti, if length of rectangle and breadth of rectangle is given, how can you find out the area of rectangle?
So we multiply length and breadth, that is x square.
Okay, very good. Now students, area of the rectangle B. Area of the rectangle B. Length into breadth. Length is x, breadth is y, xy, square units. Student, area always calculated in square units. Student, read the question properly. Area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Reduce means minus. Reduce mean minus. Increase mean plus. If the length is reduced by 5 units, student, we will reduce the length by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Now students, according to first condition, according to first condition, students, your length is reduced by 5 units. Length is reduced by 5 units. Length. Area is length into breadth. Student, if your length is reduced, it means 100% your breadth will be increased. If your breadth will reduce, 100% your length will increase. That is, breadth is increased by 3
Sir,
units.
could you please repeat what you were saying that our length will increase just due to
Yes.
Please repeat the statement.
Students, we have to equalize if your length is increased, then 100% your breadth will be increased, because we have to equalize to area of rectangles. If we will decrease both, if length is decreased, your breadth is also decreased, then you cannot equalize to area of rectangles. This portion or all decreased here. This portion will be or all decreased. Students, in first condition your length is decreased, reduced, but breadth is increased. It will be equalized to area of rectangles. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Now we will multiply it. X multiplied to y plus 3. X multiplied to y plus 3. That is xy plus 3x. Now student, we will multiply minus 5 with this. Minus 5y minus 15. That will be xy. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Cancel out.
Area is multiply 9 square meters also.
Yes, students.
Xy, so it will be xy minus 9.
Student, x multiplied to y, that is xy. X multiplied to 3, that is 3x. Minus 5 multiplied to y, that is minus 5y. And minus 5.
Question is given that the area is also reduced by
Area of rectangle. Okay. Area of rectangle also get reduced by 9 square units. Area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square units. That is minus 9. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now students, 3x minus 5y minus 9 plus 15. Now student, 3x minus 5, that is equal to 6. That is your first linear equation in two variables. Now student, according to second condition. According to second condition. In second condition, if we increase the length by 3 units, your length is increased by 3 units, breadth is also increased by 2 units. Your area will increase by 67 units. XY plus 67. Student, any doubt, any problems? Breadth is y plus 2. Now student, multiplied it, that is xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to xy plus 67. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Student, xy cancel out. Your linear equation in two variable will be 2x plus 3y 67 minus 6. 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 61. Your second linear equation in two variables. Now student, you have to solve the pair of linear equation in a two variable by using any method. Elimination method, substitution method, as well as cross multiplication method. Can you solve these pair of linear equation
Yeah.
and find out the value of x and y? Student, can you solve? Arpit Kumar Mishra. How can you solve the pair of linear equation?
क्लास 10 वर्क कर रहे
Sir, we can solve it by elimination method.
Okay, students. It is time of your science period.